Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add link to your button in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just take button and paste it. When you will have it, now you are going to here and click on it and just click here on link. Now you can choose between website URL, standard page, blog post, phone, file, email, whatever you want, but let's just choose website URL. And let's just write here instagram.com, for example. Okay, and we have it. So as we can see, link instagram.com, and if you would publish the site, you would see that it's automatically linked to the Instagram. So this is how you can do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll try to help you and give you some feedback and guidance. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.